experience here is a nice counterpart to our experience on a hole in Whistler, because even if I get on my bike or I go snowboarding or I get out on my snowmobile or something like that we're always kind of busy doing and on to the next thing, or you plan our days around these really intense environments. When you come to the Scandinave, it's this disconnect, and it's very distinct that you're entering into another space. Leaving my cell phone in the locker, having to be silent, not talk to anybody, to hold this kind of space that they've created here allows me to disconnect. I think you need to unplug, and to reconnect, to recalibrate. I think so often in people's lives, we're busy and we don't even know how busy we are, and we're stressed and we don't even know how stressed we are. But this place really does allow you to disconnect from that.